Hi ASIANA, my name is Nipa and it's Nipacooks on Instagram, and today I'm cooking for you grilled methi paneer. Hope you enjoy. For this recipe you will need 275 grams of paneer sliced into squares, a quarter cup of hung curd, 15 grams of fresh fenugreek leaves methi, which has been finely chopped and dry roasted, 2 heaped tablespoons of brown flour, which have also been dry roasted, some oil, we won't be using all of it, 2 tablespoons of tandoori powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We'll also need a pinch of hing. In addition to this, we will also need these sweet red pepper flakes. This is optional and you can replace it for paprika, but I like the taste of it. And half a teaspoon of black pepper, which is coarse. 2 teaspoons each of garlic paste and ginger paste. Half a juice of a lemon, and salt to taste. To your paneer, firstly add your lemon juice. Next, add your ginger and garlic paste. And finally, add your salt. This is salt to taste, so I kind of just go with my eye on this. And then give it a good mix. Make sure all of the paneer is covered. Next, cover with some cling film and refrigerate for at least half an hour. Remove from the fridge and add your curd, and add to that your turmeric powder, your tandoori powder and garam masala. Then your methi, which has been dry roasted. And then your sweet pepper flakes and black pepper. Next, add your dry roasted gram flour and 2 tablespoons of oil. Followed by some salt, and then you give it a good mix. Once you have carefully covered your paneer with the paste, next you will need to do your second refrigeration, so second marination. So cover it again with cling film and place it in the fridge either overnight, or you can do this in the morning and have this in the evening for dinner. The longer the marination, the better it will taste. Take your paneer out of the fridge, and this is what it looks like once it's been marinated for the second time. Before we cook, I just add my hing to it, which we haven't done yet. So we just sprinkle a bit of hing on and give it a good mix. Now that your paneer is ready, on a grill pan, add some oil and cook your paneer. Remember to turn over and cook the paneer on both sides. Now that your paneer looks ready and cooked, you can remove from the heat and serve.